Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to talk about Microsoft Semantic Kernel. In our last video, we talked about how to use function calling in Semantic Kernel. There we used the option for manual function calling. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to use auto function calling techniques in Semantic Kernel. Let's start. In our last code sample, here we check the function calls. This code no more required because we are going to use auto function call. I delete this one and this also not required. The next step, this tool call behavior enable kernel functions. Instead of that, we have to use the option called auto invoke kernel function. That's it. Here one more changes function calling demo. I changes auto function calling demo, and once this function has been executed, we have to print the result. Here we print the result, console dot write line result dot content. That's it. That's it. That's it. There is no changes. I just remove the tool function calls and I use this option auto invoke kernel function. We run the application and see the result. Application has been started. So here we get the history of this city information.